Hi, on this week of building a startup in 2022, I'm going to try and keep it short because I realize that those updates could get a little bit boring. So here's my attempt at doing the update in under 2 minutes. Okay, so starting with the development work, we're able to publish everything to the staging environment, or that's a fancy name for testing environment, where we're going to be testing everything in the dashboard, make sure that everything works fine. We've already done some changes based on the feedback that we've collected inside of our team. The next thing that we did was we were able to move our landing page from Webflow, where we were paying $45 for a simple website, $45 a month. We moved that to a static hosting in AWS. We're now probably paying like $4 or $5. So I don't know, Webflow, what's up with that? The next thing that we've made progress with is the Flutter SDK. So we have the native SDKs, which is native iOS, native Android. We're also building a Flutter SDK. We're building a preview app that we're going to release to our customers that's in Flutter. But we also got a request from a client for a React Native SDK, which is something that we're probably going to have to do sooner than we thought initially. Our cold outreach campaigns are still going. We haven't got any new signups, but that's fine. Hopefully we get more signups when we launch the beta potentially next week. And the other thing that I've been working on is the competitive analysis. The competitive analysis is a comparison between MobSur and the other products on the market that serve a similar purpose. We need that for our pitch deck, which is also not finished. So yeah, still working on that, working on the pitch deck, working on the competitive analysis, but that's all fine because we don't really need it right now. The stuff that we really have to push to make happen next week is trying to launch the beta for customers, and then also onboarding new customers to the platform, talking to new customers to use the product. We have some ideas who these customers are going to be, but once the product is ready, we plan to really push it and start talking aggressively to friends and colleagues and people that we've worked with to start promoting the platforms, start putting a product in their apps so that we can start gathering actual feedback from actual customers that are actually using the product. So yeah, I think that was somewhere around 2 minutes. So thank you for your time and talk to you soon. Bye.